हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन। ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन नीट आईआईटी में इस पे क्वेश्चन बनाए रहता है, इसलिए ये वीडियो लास्ट तक देखना मत छोड़िए। ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन। फर्स्ट रिवाइज द फॉर्मूलेज, डिफरेंट फॉर्मूले और डिफरेंट फॉर्मूले पे डिफरेंट ग्राफ्स कैसे निकालते हैं अपन देखेंगे। फर्स्ट अपन डिफरेंट फॉर्मूलेज डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन एंड देन उसके ग्राफ प्लॉट करेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन E gives प्रोडक्ट। फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला रेट इज इक्वल टू K into concentration of the A. Second, T is equal to 2.303 divided by K log E0 upon ET. Log base 10 E0 is equal to log base 10 AT minus PT divided by 2.303. AT is equal to A0 e raised to minus KT. T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K. T half is equal to log base E2 divided by K. T like time is infinity. These are the formulas about the first order reaction. Then discuss graph, different graph here. First graph, rate is equal to K into concentration of the C. Means rate of reaction increases with the concentration of the reactant. Plot the graph for this. Graph निकालना बोले तो x axis and y axis. Here rate of reaction versus concentration of the reactant. Concentration of the reactant goes on increases, rate of reaction also increases. Plot the graph. This straight line graph passes through the origin and this angle is a theta. You know slope is equal to tan theta. आपको पता है slope means tan theta और here slope K. Here slope K. This plot for rate is equal to K into concentration of the A. Second graph, y-axis or and axis, rate of reaction versus time. Here formula R is equal to K concentration of the A0 into e raised to minus KT. Here concentration of the A value for this A0 e raised to minus KT. Therefore relation between this rate and T means time goes on increases. Here T for time increase, rate goes on decreases. Here value for this K is 0 start, then goes on this rate decreases with increasing time. Graph for R is equal to K A0 e raised to minus KT. Third graphical representation, log A means concentration of the AT with respect to time. Y-axis and x-axis, time goes on increases. Here log A0 is equal to log base 10 AT minus K into T. This is also formula. T is equal to 2.303 divided by K log. Graphical representation, log A versus time. Means time goes on increases, concentration of this goes on decreases. This is the angle theta. Means slope of reaction tan theta is equal to minus k divided by 2.303. This is the slope. Initial value for this log 3. Another graph. Log base E, concentration of the A with respect to time. This is also straight line graph. Initial log base E, E0. Slope is equal to tan theta is equal to minus k. Between concentration of the reactant with respect to time. Concentration of reactant with respect to time. Means concentration of the reactant change with respect to time. Graph show firstly goes on decreases and then here E0 concentration of this graph for AT is equal to A0 e raised to minus KT. Another graph for half-life period with initial concentration. Half-life period means T half for first order reaction with respect to initial concentration. Initial concentration means concentration of the E0. T half, formula for the T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K. Means half-life period does not depends upon its concentration, initial or final. Therefore, half-life period does not change with the graph for this type graph. Means initial concentration कैसा भी चेंज हो लेकिन T half is a constant for this first order reaction. Here T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K. और एक ग्राफ यहाँ पे अपन बना सकते हैं रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. IIT में पूछे वाला क्वेश्चन है कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. टाइम में चेंज होने के बाद प्रोडक्ट का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कैसे होता है. प्रोडक्ट एक कोई भी रिएक्शन हो रही तो प्रोडक्ट का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन गोज ऑन इंक्रीजेस. पर कोई भी रिएक्शन 100% नहीं होती. बोले तो एक स्टेज आने के बाद वो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन प्रोडक्ट का क्या रहता है कांस्टेंट रहता है. इसलिए फर्स्ट गोज ऑन इंक्रीजेस एंड देन कांस्टेंट. दिस ग्राफ फॉर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट वर्सेस टाइम. इस प्रकार 7 ग्राफ अपन फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन पे प्लॉट कर सकते हैं. और ध्यान में रखिए 7 ग्राफ्स with different formulas. Hope you like the video. Subscribe it, share it. Thank you.